Alright, welcome to another e-commerce session of Boost on Amazon. There are billions and billions of products sold on Amazon. Moreover, it is not necessary for someone who has sold a similar product to sell it fast. When adding a new product, you can actually match it to an existing Amazon product by using Add Product tool. We know that Amazon's catalog features products sold by many sellers. It allows product matching to eliminate duplicate listings and prevent the product from appearing multiple times. Good product matching directly benefits you, because this also gives you the current reviews and ratings as well. By matching your product with an existing listing, you ensure that your products will be found by customers. If you want to list an Amazon existing item for your Amazon seller account, this video is just for you. Don't worry, your host Anon is here, so get up and grab a seat. In this video, we're gonna show you the step-by-step easy way to list an existing item on Amazon. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. This can be super helpful for you. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to log into your seller account. Once you're in, you need to add a product listing. You can do that by clicking the inventory tab and selecting add a product on the drop down, or by clicking the catalog tab by selecting products on the drop down. Both will take you to the same page. In order to match your item, you need to look for a similar item that is already listed on Amazon. You can use the product name UPC, EN, ISBN and ASIN. I am using the EN number for matching my products. Likely there will be so many products on the result, but you have to choose the identical item from there. Specify the condition of the item that you are selling and click the sell this product button. The only fields that are required are the price, the quantity and the condition. You can indicate the seller rescue, but it can be changed. Once you have submitted your offer, once you have filled in the required fields, you can choose your fulfillment channel. If you select Amazon FBA as your fulfillment channel, then the quantity field will be removed. If you want to add additional information detail to your listing, you can also turn on the advanced view. This is where you can specify your product tax code, if there is any, and a sale price if you will be running a promotion on your item. You can also offer a gifting option for your package. Check the box if you want to remember the setting in the next time you will be listing a similar item like this. Once you have filled in all the required fields, the save and finish buttons will be available. Just click it and your item will be posted and available on Amazon within 15 minutes. That's all for today's sessions. If you like our Amazon business content, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Boost on Amazon. Also, hit the bell icon to get more videos of Amazon. If you need any further help, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment area. Stay safe, stay with us. Till then, goodbye.